Hi, welcome to my 10 video in 10 days challenge. On every day, I'm going to post one video, share with you some business idea, marketing idea. How can you be profitable in this recession? In yesterday's video, we discussed about marketing tactics. How can you get more customer and more sales? So in today's video, I'm going to share about how do you create a website that attract leads. Website is critical in today's marketing. You can have a Facebook page, an Instagram account, a YouTube channel, but without a website, your online presence is not complete. Here's why. The social media channel that you have, the Facebook page, the Instagram account, and the YouTube channel do not belong to you. This social media channel can change their algorithm and the user interface, their design as when they like it. So when they do so, you will lose the reach to your audience and you have no control over the customer experience. So how do you create a website that give your visitor the best user experience? Here are three things that I suggest. Number one, have a concise and clear message on your headline. When a visitor visit to your website, your headline is the first thing that he or she see. So you need to have a clear and concise message telling people, one, what do you do and what are your offering? Number two, looking at your product and offering, how is this going to make my life better? And number three, if I'm interested, what should I be doing next? Having said that, this brings me to my second point. Number two, you need to have a clear call to action on your website. What is the one thing you want your visitor to do next after understanding your offer? Do you have a clear buy now button or a clear schedule appointment button or whatever button that is clearly stated on your website that the next thing that you want your customer to do? And number three, give away a PDF download on your website to capture your visitor email, because there's no way for us to know who actually visited our website, and therefore there is no way for us to follow up. So give away a free product like a PDF download to exchange your visitor email is a good way to capture their contacts. And later you can definitely email and follow up with these people, building higher trust and relationship along the way. So there you have it. The three things you should do on your website that brings you quality leads. So in tomorrow's video, I'm going to share with you how do you write a marketing message that get response. So see you tomorrow. And I also newly created an exclusive Facebook group called the Power Up Method Tribe. So if you want to learn more about how you can power up and how you can build your business during these challenging moments, you are welcome to join this exclusive Facebook group where more content is going to share inside. So I see you inside.